I'm going to describe how to differentiate a mathematical expression using Python. Here I've created my own function called xExpressDiff, which takes two arguments. The first argument is a string, which is the mathematical expression. Here it's x squared plus 4x plus 2. And the second argument is the x value at which I want the derivative to be evaluated. xExpressDiff returns two things: the mathematical expression differentiated and also a derivative evaluated at the x value. So here you can see diff, the derivative, returned as 2x plus 4. When this is evaluated with x equal to 1, you get is 6. You'll need to pip install SymPy. You then import the package, SymPy as sy. You define the function with two arguments. The x expression, which is a string, and the value at which you want the derivative evaluated is a float. You call simplify to pass the string to create a SymPy expression. You then call the method diff, passing in the expression and x to tell it to differentiate with respect to x. You return the derivative, expressDiff, converted to a string. You also return the derivative evaluated for the x value by calling the subs method. Here you pass in the x value and also a symbol x, which is created by calling the symbols method.